thinking about becoming a certified mobile crane operator or certifying your team? In this video, you'll learn how to earn your mobile crane operator certification license, meet OSHA requirements, and level up safety and career opportunities. Certification isn't just a box to check, it's essential. In the US, OSHA requires most crane operators to be certified by an accredited organization, such as NCCCO. Certification helps ensure compliance, reduces liability, boosts job prospects, and strengthens a company's safety record. Before you apply, make sure you meet these basics. Age of at least 18. Medical and vision. Meet fitness and vision standards. Language. Read and understand safety instructions and load charts. Training. While some experience helps, formal crane training is strongly recommended. For businesses, streamline certification by arranging on-site training, scheduling group testing, tracking renewal dates, and reinforcing a safety culture with toolbox talks and refreshers. Evaluate whether your operators also need rigging and signal person training. Both support compliance and real-world safety. Here's the path to a mobile crane operator certification. Step 1. Enroll in training. Learn theory, load charts, safety protocols, signaling, and build hands-on skills. Step 2. Pass the written exam. Typically, a core exam plus a specialty exam, mobile, tower, or overhead, covering load capacity, setup, inspections, and regulations. Step 3. Pass the practical exam. Demonstrate safe lifts, obstacle navigation, and smooth boom control. Step 4. Apply for certification. Submit passing scores and any required medical evaluation. Step 5. Maintain certification. Most certifications are valid 5 years. Recertify before expiration. Typical costs. Training $1,000 to $3,500. Exam fees $200 to $500 per exam, and renewal $150 to $300 every 5 years. Offsetting options include employer sponsorship, union programs, and workforce development grants. To set yourself up for success, master load charts, practice on the exact crane type you'll test on, and consider a dedicated prep course. Becoming a certified mobile crane operator is an investment in safety, professionalism, and growth. Follow these steps, prepare well, and you'll be ready to lift your future to new heights. For more information, visit us at apcranetraining.com or contact us at 8885-011355.